Churn prevention is your proactive strategy for keeping customers around. Predictive analytics help to prevent churn in your customer base by identifying signs of dissatisfaction among your customers, and identify those customers or customer segments that are at the most risk for leaving. It involves looking at the underlying reasons for churn and then formulating a plan to combat issues that may lead to churn before they happen. Identifying the special customer is a highly challenging task as it needs consistency with an extended period. This kind of insight allows companies to optimize their marketing. It helps to increase the share of each business segment to draw and retain those customers who have the most crucial value for your business. Companies and corporations have to organize their business differently according to the most profitable segmentation for their industry, services and products. The conventional use of predictive analysis is to identify target markets based on real data and indicators and to identify the segments of those markets that are most receptive to what the company offers. The same data can help identify segments and potentially that unfamiliar to most people. In many industries, cost containment is a valuable strategy and increases sales. For companies with significant investments in infrastructure and equipment, the ability to manage these investments is critical. By analyzing metrics and data related to the lifecycle maintenance of technical assets, companies can predict both schedules for probable maintenance events and future investment needs so they can streamline maintenance costs and avoid critical downtime. Product propensity analytics combine data on purchasing activities and behavior with online behavior metrics from things like social media and e-commerce, and performs correlations of that data to provide insight into the effectiveness of different campaigns and social media channels when it comes to your company's products and services. This allows your company to predict not only what customers are more likely to buy your products and services, but what channels are most likely to reach those customers, allowing you to maximize those channels that have the best chance of producing significant revenue. Quality control is critical not only to customer satisfaction but also to your bottom line and operating costs. Over time, inefficient quality control will affect your customer satisfaction, purchasing behavior and ultimately sales and market share. Poorer quality control results in higher costs for customer support, warranty claims and repairs, and less efficient manufacturing. However, sophisticated predictive analytics can provide insight into potential quality issues and trends before they become truly critical issues. Risks occur in various forms and can originate from a variety of sources. Predictive analytics can identify potential, as well as trends in the data that suggest the development of situations that may affect business and results. By combining these analyses with a rigorous risk management approach, companies can identify and quantify risk problems, evaluate them and decide how to mitigate risk factors that are considered critical. It is challenging to be always and everywhere, especially in the online world. Likewise, it is virtually impossible to capture and verify everything that is said about your company or organization. However, by combining web search and crawling tools with customer feedback and contributions, you can create analytics that gives you a picture of your company's reputation in your key markets and demographics and proactively recommends how best to improve that reputation. Your customer base is the source of both existing revenue and your company's revenue growth. That's why it's essential to maximize the revenue opportunities available in your market segment and product set. Predictive analytics can suggest which products can be combined to address which market segments to increase both your value to your customers and your customers' revenue. Predictive analytics refers to using historical data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to predict what will happen in the future and analyzing on taking the best suitable action based on the current data analysis report. Primarily focusing on reducing risks, improving operations, and increase revenue. Data security refers to the process of protecting data from unauthorized access and data corruption throughout its life cycle. Data security includes data encryption, hashing, tokenization, and key management practices that protect data across all applications and platforms. Predictive analytics with machine learning can be used to calculate real-time risk scores for specific transactions or requests and respond differently depending on how the event has been scored. For a free POC or demo, contact us, www.surancinfotech.com, contact@surancinfotech.com. Please like, share, subscribe to Suran's Infotech channel for more details.